यहाँ स्कूल है, 100 ईयर्स तो छोड़िए, 50 ईयर्स के पास वाइन स्टोर है, वाइन शॉप है, और यह सिगरेट, टोबैको का प्रोडक्ट सब बिकता है. Private educational institutions are not qualified to be teacher. For a teacher, it's mandatory to have Bachelor of Education along with bachelor's degree in his or her relevant subject. लेकिन बहुत ऐसे जैसे कि TGT है, PGT है. TGT means trained graduate teacher और PGT post graduate teacher. बहुत ऐसे हाई सेकेंडरीज में who are just graduate but do not have B.Ed, Bachelor of Education. तो ये भी चेक करना पड़ेगा. ये हम इसलिए उठा रहे ये मुद्दा क्योंकि the future of our children, our kids, our youngsters depends on the quality of education in our state. प्राइवेट स्कूल्स के प्रोपरेटर्स को हम जताने चाहते थे आपके थ्रू से, आप इसको फ्लश कीजिएगा. अदरवाइज आई एम सो सॉरी, आई रिग्रेट टू से that we may be compelled to hire an advocate and to go through it legally. Good afternoon, media friends. We want to tell all the private schools, the government through you, about the RTE, running of private institutions without proper usage of all the, compulsory steps that should be under RTE. So we are compelled to come here again. We are from Arunachal Pradesh Youth Organization, All Arunachal Pradesh Youth Organization, RPO. He's Nangram Taro, our Finance Secretary, and he's Nabam Tadab, Assistant Social Service Secretary. We came to know a lot of discrepancies in the running of private schools in the ICR Itanagar area, the capital area. So we wrote a letter to the Deputy Commissioner. He has directed us to the DDSC and the Deputy Director Academic. We went there, we discussed with him, and they suggested us to survey and to check out all the things happening. Now, when we talk about RTE, right to education, our children are not being provided the proper treatments that should be by the private institutions, both elementary and higher secondary. First of all, under Section 12(1), Clause C of the RT Act, it is mandatory that 25% reservation of the seats should be for the downtrodden and financially backward people, but that is not being done. And I'm to tell you, we approached the Directorate of Education also, higher education also, and both the higher and elementary education. They suggested that the private schools should take up at least 25% from the downtrodden and financially weaker sections of the society. And if they submit their vouchers, the government will pay the institutions. But no institution is following the rule. One thing. The other, maintenance of infrastructure standards in school. Section 19 of RTE says there should be proper infrastructure for running any private institution, educational institution. Number one, I should read out. Every educational institution should provide hygienic drinking water for the students and staffs. That is not properly been followed. I'm not talking about all the institutions. Some of them are not following these things. I think this issue has been raised by APSU also. As the advisor of the youth organization, I too approached the government to check and balance these inefficiencies of the private institutions. Number two, every educational institution should construct hygienic toilets in proportion to the number of students and staff. Number three, every educational institution should have a playground for recreational purposes. But there are many institutions that don't have recreational facilities like playgrounds. अगर फुटबॉल ग्राउंड नहीं है तो कम से कम वॉलीबॉल ग्राउंड या बैडमिंटन कोर्ट तो होना चाहिए. यहाँ के जितने प्राइवेट इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं उनमें ज़्यादा लोग के पास प्ले ग्राउंड ही नहीं है, तो स्टूडेंट्स लोग का रिक्रिएशनल एक्टिविटीज़ कैसा चलेगा. नंबर 5, every educational institution should have well maintained and furnished auditorium. वो तो है ही नहीं कहीं में. कहीं हो भी सकता है लेकिन बहुत में नहीं है. I have been in contact with the Directorate of Elementary and Higher Secondary Educations, and I'm collecting the status of all these institutions. Then number 6, every educational institution should install fire extinguisher for precaution in case of fire accidents in and around the premises of the institution, जो बहुतों में नहीं है. Number 7, every educational institute should maintain a well-equipped laboratory. वो तो बिल्कुल नहीं है किसी भी प्राइवेट इंस्टीट्यूशन में. हम अभी यहाँ पापुमपारे से, क्योंकि ये कैपिटल है, यहाँ से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. हम डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में भी इसको लेके जाएंगे. कोई भी ऐसा प्राइवेट स्कूल मैंने नहीं देखा जहाँ वेल इक्विप्ड लेबोरेटरी है. देन आपका नंबर 7, RTE says all schools must install CCTV at strategic points for safety of both students, teachers and other staffs, and to discourage gender-based harassments. तो CCTV कितनों ने लगाया पता नहीं. आप लोग काइंडली ये खबर सब पहुंचा दीजिए उनको, जितने भी प्राइवेट स्कूल्स के प्रोपरेटर्स हैं, कि ये सब फॉलो करें. देन आपका नंबर 9 में आता है, देयर also is provision to prohibit selling of tobacco products within 100 years of an educational establishment or institution. जो बिल्कुल नहीं होता है. यहाँ स्कूल है, 100 years तो छोड़िए, 50 years के पास वाइन स्टोर है, वाइन शॉप है, और यह सिगरेट टोबैको का प्रोडक्ट सब बिकता है. एंड देयर इज अनदर थिंग. अभी हमने बहुत जगह देखा है कि on qualifications of teachers, many teachers in private educational institutions are not qualified to be teacher. For a teacher, it's mandatory to have Bachelor of Education along with bachelor's degree in his or her relevant subject. लेकिन बहुत ऐसे जैसे कि TGT है, PGT है. TGT means trained graduate teacher और PGT post graduate teacher. बहुत ऐसे हाई सेकेंडरीज में who are just graduate but do not have B.Ed, Bachelor of Education. तो ये भी चेक करना पड़ेगा. ये हम इसलिए उठा रहे ये मुद्दा क्योंकि the future of our children, our kids, our youngsters depends on the quality of education in our state. ये हम सिर्फ ये पापुम पारे में नहीं कर रहे, यहाँ से शुरुआत कर रहे हैं. यहाँ से हम फिर डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाइज टूर करेंगे. देन आपका बहुत ऐसा किंडरगार्टन्स है जो KG बोलते हैं, जस्ट हाईवे के नेक्स्ट, हाईवे के पास या किसी रोडवे के पास, बिजी रोडवे के पास. एंड दैट आई सपोज इज नॉट सूटेबल बिकॉज किंडरगार्टन है, बच्चे लोग हैं, नर्सरी है, तो ये लोग तो समझते नहीं है. कभी भी फट से बाहर निकल जाएगा और रास्ते में चला जाएगा, कहीं भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. तो इसका भी ख्याल रखना चाहिए अथॉरिटीज को. Then we have written to the डिप्टी कमिश्नर, हम लोग का जो ICR का डिप्टी कमिश्नर को जो लिखा था, उन्होंने हम लोग को डायरेक्ट किया. Then we wrote to the director of secondary education. उन्होंने डायरेक्टर ऑफ सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन ने डिप्टी डायरेक्टर ऑफ स्कूल एजुकेशन को उन्होंने लिखा था. I'll read it out for you. With reference to the subject cited above, the subject was complaint against private school running in Papumpare district or ICR without complying the norms prescribed by the government of Arunachal Pradesh. तो डायरेक्टर सर ने डिप्टी डायरेक्टर को लिखा, with reference to the subject cited above, I am to inform you that the director has received a complaint letter from all Arunachal Pradesh Youth Organization, Itanagar, against private schools who are running without having basic requirements as prescribed for establishment of private schools. ये डायरेक्टर साहब ने डिप्टी डायरेक्टर को लिखा है. Therefore, you are directed to inspect and verify the private schools in your district as mentioned above, and strict action may be initiated on private schools for not following prescribed norms and mandates of RTE 2009. An action taken, report be submitted to the director immediately. हम लोग बहुत satisfied हैं, डायरेक्टर सर ने खुद ऐसा कहा. So like हम लोग फिर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जाएंगे. We are on the process. We have written to all the relevant authorities. We have been to the ministry also, but first we thought we'll first begin it from the bureaucracy because they are the most powerful organs of the government. इसलिए हम लोग आप लोग के थ्रू से हमारे अरुणाचल के लोगों को और प्राइवेट स्कूल्स के प्रोपरेटर्स को हम जताने चाहते थे. आपके थ्रू से आप इसको फ्लश कीजिएगा. अदरवाइज आई एम सो सॉरी, आई रिग्रेट टू से that we may be compelled to hire an advocate and to go through it legally. Thank you so much.